And lastly, we're going to look at how to mic people. A good boom operator is really, really good at this. I'm not a good boom operator. So, I can tell you there's only two things that I ever do that ever work consistently. The first is easiest actually. It's with a woman, if she's wearing a bra, there's just a little bit of distance right here, right in the center. So you just take your microphone, which now I have to move things around to get to. But you just take it and you just clip it on the inside of the bra, and life is good. Now, with men wearing t-shirts, life is less than good. Men wearing t-shirts, especially like if this t-shirt that I'm wearing is particularly terrible. Why? Because it's skin tight. So anything that we put on it will make a little bump. You may just have to deal with that anyway. And the problem is you kind of want to put it like around the clavicle, and you'll always see it in camera. It's really obnoxious. So anyway, I would yell and scream if somebody was wearing a very tight thing like this. So let's try to go for a little more reasonable wardrobe. I'll put a t-shirt on over this, so this will suck less. All right, so now we still have the problem with it making a bump, but we don't have to worry so much about a microphone sitting directly on the skin. The only good tool for miking up shirts are these things called undercovers, which we have some of, not a lot of. I don't know, we've got some. And it comes in two pieces. You have these little sticky things that go on paper, on this paper, and what you do is you just unpeel the sticky thing. Here, I've got a used one right here, which I will use for demonstration purposes. So we unpeel the sticky thing, and we attach that directly to the person, and then we take the microphone and we just pin it there on the person. So now it's sort of attached. Then we take one of the little fuzzy things. There's little fuzzy things, gray. I think I've got gray, black, and maybe white. Yeah, there might be some whites left. And you just take one of the fuzzy things and you put it over. Bloop, like that. So now I'm mic'd up. And I mean, it's okay with the wrinkles in this shirt. Maybe it'll work for you. I don't know. Good luck. I mean, the advantage to this is that you won't hear the sound every time anybody moves over their shirt. Of course, anytime they slap themselves, hug somebody else, you're going to get a big... Normally, if they're not talking over those lines, it's okay because you can just switch to another microphone that was on in the room and then switch back to them after they're done hugging or doing some obnoxious thing like that. Jewelry, obviously, is really obnoxious because it goes clang against microphones. And that's pretty much all I got.